guys, it's Ame here, and today we are going to review the 6 Hot Wheels cars. First up, let's review this Hot Wheels every color. It's 1995 Mazda RX-7 with green, white, and black. With front, we have no detail with hood with black, pan to side with G-Ready logo and gold wheels, rear, driver side, and roof. And the code says K51, that's the code. Let's review this Hot Wheels 2015 Mercedes AMG GT. With black. With front, we have black grille and the Mercedes logo, passenger side, rear, driver side, and roof. And the code says K50, that's the code. Let's review this Hot Wheels 2016 Honda Civic Type R. With red and gray and black. With front, we have black grille and the headlights. Passenger side with bismuth door logo. Rear with spoiler, driver side, and roof. And the code says K50, that's the code. Let's review this Hot Wheels Custom Datsun 240Z. With red and black and gold. With front, we have no detail, passenger side with gold wheels, rear, driver side, and roof. And the code says K52, that's the code. Let's review this Hot Wheels Lotus Espirit S1 with orange and black. With front, we have no detail, passenger side, rear with leather license plate, driver side, and roof. And the code says K51, that's the code. Let's review this Hot Wheels 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT, a recolor, with leather and black. With front, we have no detail, passenger side, rear, driver side, and roof. And the code says L1, that's the code. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.